Greetings, friends. Do you have a dry cough? I have the perfect remedy just for you. Today, we are going to be performing a treatment which is called steam inhalation. And what that encapsulates is warm, moist air which will be directed to the mucous membranes of the upper respiratory tract. And this will help loosen congestion and a dry cough. And at the same time, it will increase blood flow to the nose and to the throat and to the lungs. Step 1. Have a pot or bowl with hot water ready. Add essential oils if so desired. Step 2. Let the person lean over the pot or bowl with hot water. Step 3. Cover the person with a towel or blanket, making sure that it creates an enclosed tent that lets no steam escape. Step 4. Let him stand or sit in this position for about 30 minutes. Step 5. Take off the towel or blanket and dry off his face. Step 6. Let him rest for about 30 minutes, depending on how intense the treatment was. I hope this video was a blessing to you and that you may put it into practice. And remember, stay healthy.